I just scraped this one out. I already picked it up, checked it out. There's no embossing on it. It's a nice old cork top. Nice shape. Looks like it might be an aqua blue color, a little greenish tint to it. I'll keep it. Catch you on the next one. Check this little bottle that just come out. I thought it was just a shard, it was so thin. The bottom says, looks like it says bourgeois. Anyways, the front of it says complimentary. So it's obviously a sampler or something. Still got the cap on it. Right on. That's a nice little find. Okay folks, I got another one here. I'm hoping the top isn't busted off it. It's upside down like that, which is a good thing, because any water that got in it would have ran out. Otherwise it would have froze and busted the bottle. So let's see, here we go. Oh, yeah. I'll take that one. He's not embossed, but hey, I'm not a professional either. Right on. Just pop this amber out, folks. It's got the raised embossed texture all over it. Probably from the 30s or 40s. Need to get down a little deeper, I think, before I start finding anything older here. That's a nice bottle though. It'll clean up good. Look good. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Check this out, folks. What a cool find. That looks like the leg off something that can go that way. But it's a claw with a globe in the center of it. Awesome. I hope that cleans up good. That's going to look nice. Right on. Check it out. Cool beans. Alright, catch us on the next one. Okay, I think I got enough dug away that I can get it out. Let's see what it is. Alright. Oh, maybe I can't. Get it again. Yep, got it. That giant medicine. Wow. Screw top, but I don't have one that size. Holy jumping, that's a big one. Cool, I'll take it, I love them. Catch you on the next one. Dug this enamelware pot, looks like a flower pot up. Full of dirt, I dumped it out. There's a little cobalt blue inside of it. Right on. I'll take both of those. There's where it was, right in there. Cool. Just packed up my stuff in this bucket to leave, and I thought I'll take one more dig beside where that pot was. And pulled this cork top out. It's embossed on the edges. It says Rundels. Not embossed on the face. Oh, Rundel's Liniment. First time I found one of those. Let's check it out, see what it is. Alright, catch you later, folks. Well, folks, I guess that about wraps it up for today. For that dig. That's a pretty good dig. I'm happy with the finds. Got some unique ones that I never found before. Some cork tops and some other things. Down by the water, you can probably hear the seagulls. Anyways, I'll get out of here and we'll get on to the wrap up. Catch you in a couple seconds. Hey everyone, back with the cleanup here. This little compliments cobalt blue. Turns out that's from the 1940s, and it held the Evening in Paris perfume. You can see where the label would have been there in that little rectangle. This is a nice big cobalt blue Noxzema bottle. Huge, look at the thing. This leg is nice. It cleaned up pretty good. You can see make out like the pattern on it, the feathers or scales or whatever it's supposed to be. The glass ball, it's got some cracks in it, but overall it's all holding together. This amber here, that's all textured. I'm guessing it was a whiskey bottle, probably from the 40s as well. And this is probably from the 40s too. That thing's huge. Here's an example of a little one. Or a smaller one. I've got ones even smaller than this. So it must have been the common design. And the Rundel's Liniment. This one here, I found two of these bottles. Dug them up pretty close to one another. From what I can gather, it's in, would have been blown in a hinged mold. You can see the seam ends right under the lip up here. And that lip would have been applied. This one's quite a little bit bigger than this other one. Well, this one here, the seam goes right up to the end of it here, so it would have been later on, probably after the 1920s. This one here, seam goes right up to the end here. Nothing special about it, I just like it. This big, probably a wine bottle. Looks like it's black, but it's actually a real dark amber color. It's a nice one. And lastly, this pod here, looks like it would have had a handle on it. Didn't clean up too bad. It'll be good for a flower pot. So that's it. Wasn't a bad hunt. I enjoyed myself. It was a new spot, so turned out pretty good. I'll let you go for now. Catch you on the next one. Good luck, happy hunting, all that good stuff. Over and out.